From the devastating floods in Ellicott City, the flash flooding and high humidity throughout Howard County this summer, and the excess heat, fires, storms, and drought worldwide, it's clear that the climate crisis is happening right now. We know what we need: a just transition to a 100% renewable world that provides jobs and justice for all. But it is not coming fast enough. On September 8th, Howard County will join thousands around the world to demand our local leaders walk the walk on climate action to save our generation. Real climate leadership rises from below, meaning power in the hands of people, not corporations. We need young people to be present and make their voices heard, because it is the youth that will be most affected by climate change. Join Howard County as we rise for climate jobs and justice. Saturday, September 8th at the Clarksville Commons from 2 to 5 p.m. Come hear from climate groups on clean energy solutions, meet electric car dealers and owners, enjoy music, family fun, and get important info on what is going on in Maryland to address climate change. We are at a crossroad. By acting together, we can end the era of fossil fuels and save the climate we all depend on. RSVP at bit.ly/risehoco. Learn more about our movement at riseforclimate.org.